Hi friends, let me show you these open ear headphones. They give you up to 80 hours of playtime with the battery, so I think that it's very convenient. You can even see the available battery here in the our display of the case. You charge them with a USB-C cable that you even get in the box. And of course the user manual. As you can see, the box is nice. You have here the earbuds and you put them outside of your ear like this. It makes it really convenient because you still can hear your surroundings. Let me connect them to my phone and try them. To connect them to the Bluetooth, you go to your Bluetooth option, and of course you have here the M62 device. That is my new device. I hear it already. Now I'm hearing my songs and they sound great. Even though as they are out of my ear, I still can hear some external sounds. Also, as they are outside of my ear, I think they are more comfortable for my personal experience. As you can see, you can control your device from the earbuds, like pausing it, okay, and play. Okay, if you hit it once, you get more volume with the right side or less volume with the left side. You could even skip a song hitting it 3 times. Or go to the previous song with three times in your left ear. Okay, and if you want to use your assistant, you have to keep it pressed a little bit, and there it is. You get the Siri option in your phone. Perfect. I think these earbuds are really nice, easy to use. They are really comfortable, and you can control all the basic functions of your player, your phone, within your ear, even answering phone calls. So if you are looking for a new set of earphones or earbuds, these ones are really nice, really useful, and easy to bring with you and to charge with the USB-C cable. Thank you.